Building a French drain system for yard drainage, you do have to deal with underground sprinklers, more than likely. They're in 9 out of 10 yards. So I get asked all the time, what about my sprinkler system? Well, this is a great time for me to go ahead and do a quick video blog showing how we go under the sprinkler line. We excavate the trench. We make a really, really big trench, as you can see. This wasn't made with a trencher. It was made with an excavator. We dug out 14 inches wide, 14 inches deep. This is a really, really big channel that we're going to fill full of stone. Now, because we line the entire trench, stone and pipe included, we can put the pipe on the bottom of the trench. In the north, the frost always wants to heave the pipe, so we want it at the bottom under all the stone. So we go ahead and we put the pipe right underneath the sprinkler pipes. You can see we're starting to fill in the French drain. You can see the amount of stone. You can see the large aggregate we use. It's washed. There's no fines. There's no sand. And I'm going to show you a part that we have closed up over here. This part's completely full. You can just see how much stone there is. The more stone, the better to drain. It's simply put. If you have a narrow trench made with a trencher and you put a 4-inch pipe in with only 2 inches of stone because it's a 6-inch trench, because that's what a trencher makes, is a 6-inch groove, it's going to fail. It's not, is it going to fail? It's when. It was built to fail when it was installed. So a large channel of stone like this stands the test of time. For French drain installers, yard drainage in northern Oakland and Macomb County, Michigan, give us a call.